hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my stream. And tonight we are finally going to resume building the endless rickshaw simulator game. All right. So it's been a while that I've been working on this game. We started with very high adrenaline, and energy, whatever. We started with a lot of that, and now we are basically continuing to finish the game. So, Manthan Mehta, hello, hello, hello. How are you, brother? Prabhu Play Games, hello. Daksh Raina, hello. Ayan Dev, hello. The Screen Takers, hello. I'll just say hello to each and every one of you guys first. Daksh, hello, hello, hello. Hey, part time. Hey, by the way, Akira, your name is. I did listen to your feedback and I did add another membership tier. So if you look at my channel right now, you will actually see two membership tiers. One is the Nikhil Malankar Club, and then second is the Nikhil Malankar Exclusive Club. So you can actually join my membership tier now with both of these tiers. Okay, so guys, quick announcement before we start the stream. So I now have two membership tiers. First one is the regular Nikhil Malankar Members Club, and then second one is Nikhil Malankar Exclusive. In exclusive, you get access to all the behind the scenes footages, including my daily vlogs. But for Nikhil Malankar Club, you will get access to basically special events that I'm going to organize. And I did think about how I can make it good for the members with regards to all the special stuff that I've planned. So what I've planned is I'm actually going to do a stream for a competition of Fall Guys and Among Us. Okay. And I'm actually going to, my thumbnail guy has created a thumbnail as well for the tournament. So you can see, I'll just show you like this over here. It's very bleak right now, but yeah. Wait करके थक गया, पैसे नहीं है, sorry, but next time sure, no problem. I mean, I don't mind at all. So guys, I have two membership tiers on my channel right now. For those of you who are actually who want to support me as a content creator, I have a basic membership tier called Nikhil Malankar Club, and second one is Nikhil Malankar Exclusive. In Nikhil Malankar Club, you get access to cool icons and access to basic members only chats and all. For Nikhil Malankar Exclusive Club, you get access to my entire life that I'm documenting right now on my YouTube channel. आज कौन सा सॉन्ग बाथरूम सिंगर आई नो आज नो सॉन्ग विल द गेम हैव नहीं जाएगा मैकेनिक्स फॉर द ड्राइवर so the thing is our game in our game the rickshaw doesn't stop only. I will show you gameonomics what the game is about. Let me share the screen over here. Do you use data structures in your games? Yeah, 100%. Data structures are used a lot in my god, that was my ears exploded. What happened? Okay, never mind. Okay, you know what guys, I'm gonna temporarily turn off the soundtrack. It was very loud. I'm so sorry for that. I'm so very sorry for that. Actually, even I got spooked. Okay, so I'm gonna disable the audio for a while. Yeah, we had these. Oh, I disabled the audio from here. Oh my goodness, that hurts. That noise. Sing song as compensation. I'm just going to call you Japanese guy. I mean, Akira doesn't make sense to me. I mean, you are the Japanese guy in this stream. So have you watched gameplay? Yes, I have not watched the gameplay as of yet. I'm so sorry. I've just been super duper busy the last few days. Imagine कोई बंदा डाउनलोड करेगा ये गेम, उसके कान फट जाएंगे. 99. Oh my god. I really don't want that. I mean, as it is, there's enough controversy in my life to deal with. Okay, let me turn down the volume over here, and I will turn down the volume for you guys as well so that the noise is manageable for you guys. Did you see Ananta trailer? Ananta, I got a glimpse of it. I didn't see this entirely. Okay, you know what, guys? What we'll do today is we will try to populate the city around it. Okay, so let's actually open cursor. Let's go back, right click, show more, open with cursor. Cool. Sound को बंद करके launch करना भाई ये game. अरे we will change the sounds. It's just like it's a bit unpolished right now, so that's the reason why it is showing like this. But I will change the sounds. Okay, so now let's make a few observations. All right, so this lane is on -6 and this lane is on +6. Okay, and then we did take a few models over here. Okay, these are all cars. We need a city pack now actually. So I will go back to Kenny. Wait, I did download a pack today. Okay, downloads, everything you need to know. Kenny new platformer. What is in the platformer pack? No, this was a 2D game. Never mind. Let's take some help from our friend Kenny. Kenny. Let's go. Assets. Okay, city commercial, city kit commercial, city kit industrial. Let's filter it by 3D. Retro urban kit, no. Holiday kit, mini market, nope. Tower defense kit, nah. Mini arcade, no. Lego blocks, building kit, that's a building kit as well. Food, okay. Wait, we also needed animals actually. The entire thing from that was that game that we saw. The visualization was the animals part of it. So do we have any animals over here? Blocky characters, blaster kit, holiday, toy car kit, pirate, mini market, no. Do we have animals? Animal. Okay, this I don't know why it showed animal. Okay, never mind. I do have, no, I don't want a modular kit. I just want stuff ready. Add auto driver. Okay, I can add auto driver. Okay, React Ananta at the end, you will love it. Yeah. I mean, I did see Ananta on my YouTube recommendation. It does look pretty good. I haven't seen it yet. So let's see. I will definitely see it later. Add police cars chasing them. Sure, I can do that. Just a second, guys. Just a second. I'm getting a quick call. I need to take this. It's my friend calling me. 1 second. Hey, Adrian, what's up? I'm on live stream talking to you, picking your call. Okay, back. I told my friend that I'm live streaming right now, so he said, okay, we'll speak later. Okay, all right. So buildings. Hey, Kushal, how are you? Building a game on live stream. It's always fun. In fact, Kushal, we should collaborate sometime. Adrian Bhai is priorities. Oh, definitely. Adrian Bhai is priorities for sure. I love Adrian. Okay, never mind. All right, coming back now. Let's make a few observations over here. Wow, this building can't be bigger than my rickshaw. So let's make it say 3 by 3. Okay, I think this is fine. -10, is it? Sure, but after pleasure outlet. Okay, Kushal, all the best to you for that. 11, this is fine. And +11. Okay, this is looking good. So this is building skyscraper A. Then we took 3, 3, 3, right? Wait. We have to. Are you making game in Unreal Engine 5? No, this is Unity game engine. Also, this needs to be rotated. This building needs to be rotated. Right? Something like this. In 90 degrees. Like so. So this is building G. Building G. Building G. We can partner in live stream, casual talks and stuff. Oh, definitely, Kushal, definitely. And then this building M, which can be again 333. I think even this skyscraper needs a 90-degree rotation. And I think the building spawning on the left need to be -90, whereas the building spawning on right should be +90. This building over here, if I keep it like so, one variation, two variation, then there is, what is this? 333. My god, what is this? Is it Burj Khalifa? Oh, this became 0.3. Okay, never mind. I think this needs to be bigger. 10, 10 and 10. Once again, this Japanese guy has some Indian roots. I mean, it's not a Japanese guy, it's only his name. For those of you who are actually like probably wondering, hey, maybe this might look good at a distance, this building. Like, you know, something like this. Okay, I'm just going to get a feel of the entire game. Any news on Fast Motor Lunatics? I'm interested in that racing game. So Crew drastically, what we have done is for Fast Motor Lunatics, we are not actively building that game right now, primarily because we want Mumbai Gullies to come out first. And that game essentially has the exact same map of Mumbai Gullies, which will kind of spoil the main game for us. So we are thinking that, you know, we'll take our own time with that game and release it when after Mumbai Gullies is ready. Okay, 90, 11. What is this? -11. I'm just going to place these randomly now. Crew drastically. Okay, add twin towers then. Twin towers. My god. I mean, that will, like, I will have to say something controversial that might get me in trouble. So I will rather not. Okay, this is, so here's the observation that we are going to do is most of the buildings we are going to spawn on either the left side or the right side. Okay, we also need a big ground. I think these many buildings should be good enough. 555, 90, or say -90 and -11. Okay, no, this has become a little bigger. Okay, all right. Now I will tell cursor. Okay, so now we have the, oh, we also need colliders in each of them. So, because, you know, if cars start to fly off in the distance, we need them to collide with the buildings too. So let's put in some colliders, basic box colliders. Okay, this has taken the shape. Box collider. Okay, this is also fine. So I can kind of bulk add, you know, my worry was that if I add these, the collisions might be a bit different. But yeah, it has taken all the collisions properly. So we've added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different types of buildings. Now I will say, okay, so now we have sorted the road logic. Now we need to spawn decorators. Right now we have, from my basic setup, I can spawn decorators buildings on the left and right side at 11 x and negative 11 x position. So with my road spawner, give me how should I describe it? Give me a prefab variable wherein I can drag and drop an array of different buildings that will be spawned on the right and left side of roads randomly, and if the building is spawning on left, it will have a minus 90 rotation in y-axis, and if it spawns in right side, then it will have a 90 rotation in y-axis. So what I will do now is, I know that a bunch of times these things actually break. I will create a backup of this entire project folder, because I know there is a possibility that this can actually break. Okay, so let me right click and click on compress to zip file, so that we are gonna take like a backup, because I'm doing some heavy duty stuff now. Skip. I don't need, I like, those were just the log files. The keyboard click sounds is so satisfying. Thanks a lot, Kush. Manan Soni, hello, how are you? मिनिएचर मेकर निखिल भाऊ, प्लीज मुंबईच्या बेस्ट बसेसची डबल डेकर एक मुंबई गली मध्ये तुमच्या गेममध्ये दाखवा, नाहीतर वेगळा मुंबई बेस्ट बस सिम्युलेटर गेम बनवा. ओके, skip all of them, yeah, skip all of them. Rickshaw backup. I actually forgot to take a backup of this on GitHub. But anyway, let's go. Hit. Sir, वो एक chat miss हो गया मेरा. Let's see what Nikhil sir views are on it. On what? Do you feel VR market is down or over because nothing happening nowadays? Few months back it was on Spotlight. So Kushal, I have a different opinion on the VR market now. And I'm very, very bullish on the VR market moving forward, primarily because I look at it from a perspective of wearable glasses now. VR games, or rather AR and MR games, are going to be super big once wearable glasses catch up. Right now the issue is that not a lot of people have access to glasses, which basically means that not a lot of people are actually having that luxury to afford those. People have mobile phones but no glasses. So I think it's going to change. It is going to change. Manan Soni, we are building a game tonight. मेरा भी chat miss हो गया. Yeah guys, so unfortunately when I'm actually building stuff, I might not be able to read the chats. Samins Kumar Alagod, I conduct market research with IIT Delhi. I'm certified brand and product manager from here. We always read research papers on these type of products. That's awesome. VR games aren't popping up cause still new and high cost. Yeah, that's true. That's called focus. Manthan, thank you so much for understanding. Okay, so this is complete. Let's see what mess our cursor has done. So there is building prefabs. Okay, let's drag and drop these into prefab items. Okay. Now I don't need these over here. I can delete them. I'll create a new folder called buildings, and I will drag and drop them like so in here. I will also create a new folder for cars. I hope I remember how to create cars. I mean, I had created them, but the such is life. Like sometimes you forget. Okay, I will keep this on lock over here. Okay, by the way, guys, bunch of stuff that I'm doing right now, you can actually observe and see what I'm doing. So right now I have okay. When in Unity you click over here, your inspector panel disappears. But for some reason, if you want the inspector panel to appear, stay consistent, even when say for example, even when you press somewhere else, so you just click on this small lock icon over here on top, and no matter where you click, this still stays. This is super useful when you are actually dragging and dropping prefabs. Oh my god, why did I drop a delivery vehicle inside buildings? Never mind. Okay, so I'm gonna move this back. Where is the prefabs folder? Move the delivery car to here. Okay, so I'm gonna drag and drop these into my building prefabs, and I don't know what this is going to get us in terms of output. So let's see. Whoa! Okay. Okay, and I think it's also created like a spawn chance. I don't want a spawn chance. I just want the buildings to spawn right away. Bro, your English and explanation is too good. Thank you so much. Okay. So satisfying. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I'm genuinely having like a fun time playing this. Woo! Okay, cool. Looks good. Looks good. Let me actually check if I have the music used in the game. Okay, yeah. Boogie by Connect. Yeah, this one. I have put the link over here so we don't get like copyright thing. Okay, so let's think ways to monetize this. Yeah, this lock button is quite useful until you forget that the inspector is lock. Lol. Okay, guys, let me know your feedback. What's your feedback on what we've built so far? Okay, bam, bam. Woo. Add citizens. Oh my goodness. I mean, I think we can. I think we can. We can add people crossing the road. We can add people crossing the road, but that is going to be, guys, that is going to be like, wow, it's going to be brutal. Brutal. Okay, story time. Quick story time. Okay, very quick story time. Why did you assign pilot to drive auto? Okay, quick story time. I have a. Okay, this is way back. We were working on a game, on a small video game. I will not name the brand. It's a very popular brand. The game was also launched, by the way, on Google Play Store. This is, I think, 2014 or 2015 I'm talking about. So this big brand comes to us and they say that we want to create a very small game, a simple, offline, that Chrome type game is there, na? Like that kind of game we want to make. The only difference is that instead of the dinosaur, we will have a rickshaw running. Okay, it'll be a 2D game. It'll be a rickshaw running on the streets, and as obstacles, you have to make the rickshaw jump on top of incoming people. Okay, now surface level, this concept sounds like interesting, right? We did that. We made that game. Okay, so there was this rickshaw, and there were incoming people, and we had to kind of dodge. Okay, now as a developer, you tend to make things a bit realistic at times. Okay, so while it was a black and white game, for some reason in the game design, when the rickshaw, if accidentally it collides with the people, it's game over, right? As it is in Dino game. Now, what actually happened was, when a rickshaw, now fundamentally, concept wise, when this game came to us as a development project, we didn't find anything wrong with it, the concept. But then we made the game. There's this rickshaw running, people incoming, rickshaw colliding with the people dying, and we had different types of people. We had regular people, we had families of people, and when the rickshaw collides, these people die, and these people don't just die. There is blood. There is blood splattering on the road, and for some reason, we as game developers of that game did not find anything wrong with it. Okay, which was basically our fault for sure. I mean, we should have seen it coming. We should have asked people. Now, funny story. We ended up launching that game. Okay, we ended up launching that game, and this was a very big brand. What that person did was, that person published the game, and he announced it on his social media channels and on his mode of communication and whatnot, that the game is live. Now this is 1 a.m. at night. This notification goes to his set of users, which is millions of users, by the way. And at 1 a.m., and his primary target audience was India. At 1 a.m., within just 5 minutes, the game crosses 10,000 downloads at 1 a.m. And after that, that person went to sleep. He announced the game and he went to sleep. Me as a developer, I'm there reading all the comments, and there's this flurry of very, very interesting comments. Insensitive game. Someone mentioned over here, a popular actor. They said, popular actors, fans will love this. And it was going to be a PR nightmare for that company the next morning. So what I actually did was, I sat the entire night at 1 a.m. after realizing what the hell was happening. I sat down personally and I made a quick change to the entire game mechanic. Instead of the rickshaw colliding and blood splattering, we just made that, the people who were colliding with the rickshaw came ahead and kind of avoided the rickshaw. And the next morning, the reviews were pretty good. I mean, it had completely changed. But I imagine if I was there and I didn't make that change, it would have been a PR nightmare for that company. An absolute PR nightmare for that company. Anyway, I think context. If I put people on the streets right now, and this rickshaw has already gone crazy, so I don't know what will happen, man. I don't know what will happen. I don't think, I mean, I don't know. I don't want to take that risk. Okay. What else can we do? Woo! Okay, so now one thing is missing. So while we have the rickshaw, we are missing a ground. So what I will do, you will play Manhunt Rickshaw Rampage. Oh my goodness. You guys are sick. Don't do that. Okay. The way that I will do this, the ground part is, I will take a plane. I will put this on 0, 0, 0. And I will make it very large, say 100, 100, 100. I don't think this is going to suffice so much, but let me create a material ground, and I will give it a color of nice dark green color. How does this look? Let's just see. Okay, Kush, good night. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I'm not quite liking it. How about this? Like a plain black kind of thing. Okay. Or white. How about this? Need a dialogue अंधेरी जाएगा as well. Now, how about brown? Let's change it in real time. I like the black one. So to be honest, people have mouths, so they will inevitably yap alto. But the results of 10k downloads in 1 minute itself shows what the need in market is. Remember, yeah, 100%. I love this game. We've created a monster, an absolute monster in this world. This game is going to be a complete annihilation of all the cultures and all the worlds, and this will be such an amazing game and a value addition in the world. I don't know what I'm yapping about, but anyway. Besides the buildings, you can try dark green. I think what we will need is we will need 2 layers. First one is this layer, which is going to be say 10. Actually, we can do it something like this. Somewhat like this. Right, 0. I can keep it at 1.5. And yeah, this can go all the way to like infinity. 1000, who cares, whatever. So this will be like a road to infinity. Wow. And this color, now this can be green. No, this can be, and then this will be slightly below, and ground 2, this can be green, like a dark greenish kind of color, something like this. So yeah, I had this thing in mind, so it looks like gardenish. Oh, it is actually giving that entire illusion away. So we need to add segments ahead, 50 segments ahead, I guess. So that way it is breaking that illusion actually. I think we should add a fog. Turn white to black. White should be black. Let's see. Yeah, I think white to black will be a good solution. Yeah, it is actually looking quite good. Okay, and now okay, I have an idea. One more idea. Now this is more like a one-way traffic. Volumetric fog for horizon help. Yeah, I can. Where is the fog actually? I forgot where the fog is. How do you add fog? How to add fog? Fog in Unity. I think is it creating volumetric fog. How do I add fog? I forgot how to add fog. Use built-in RP. There is no volumetric fog. This exists only in HDRP. Okay, we don't have HDRP. Global fog. Standard assets. I agree. How, there is a volumetric environment. Okay. How do I add fog though? Like, where is it available? Rendering. Is it in lighting? Environment. Yeah, over here, right? Fog. Okay. Yeah, fog. We got it. Okay, let's see. Window rendering lighting for inbuilt fog effect. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, this is better. Sort of better now. I mean, things are coming to nice, coming in shape now. Okay, now next thing we need is, we saw the buildings and all. We need one more thing. Should we creep the fog a little closer? Window. Wait, how did we do that? Window rendering lighting. Window rendering lighting and environment. This was exponential. Wait. What should we keep? Should we keep exponential, squared, exponential, or linear? Start. Wait, no. I think end should be a little closer. And I think India has this general orangish kind of, effect to it. Like, the sky over here is not that clean. So maybe this looks good. Make the color black. Add a skybox. Wait, this is actually looking quite good. What do you say, guys? Do you think it's looking good? Show pollution in Mumbai. Pollution. Okay. What else can we add? All right. My creative juices are flowing right now. Medieval skybox asset. Oh, sky. So clouds. We can add like some clouds. Do we have clouds on Kenny's asset? Clouds. Do we have clouds over here? Online mode like road rash. Clouds. There are no clouds. But we can make clouds, I think making a cloud is not that difficult. I can make a cloud with basic shapes. Like, literally basic shapes. But my entire worry is that okay, we need a way for these planes to follow the rickshaw. We will do that. Potholes. Yeah, potholes. We can do potholes. But let me create some basic clouds. Screen shake is happening, Aman. Screen shake is happening. See, if I get free skybox from asset store. Okay, we can do that. See, screen shake is happening. Okay, asset store. Let's go to asset store. And what else? What can we find over here? Just a second, guys. Skybox. What sort of skybox do we have over here? Let's go for free. All skies. Freebie skies. Skybox extended shader. We don't need shader. Free stylized skybox. 8K skybox free. We don't need 8K skybox. Retro wave skies. What is this? Wait, what is this? Okay, that synth wave kind of thing. Hey, wait, I have an idea. I think this will look good. Okay, I need to sign in. Just a second, guys. I need to sign in with my account, so I'm gonna do that on the side. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Just trying to see. Okay, add to my assets. Accept and done. I hope it is added to my assets list. Open in Unity. Open Unity editor. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Free stylized skybox. Let's go. Okay, just a second. Where are you guys? I lost my chat. Okay, Manhunt 2 completed. Put a galaxy night sky in the game. Let's see what this new skybox does to our game. सर आपने अमेरिकन टैक्सी ड्राइवर खेला है, बहुत अच्छा chaotic गेम है जिसमें डिस्ट्रॉय करता जाते हैं. नहीं यार, मैंने नहीं खेला अब तक. Missing reference. Oh my god, I need to fix this error. Since when it is showing, man. Okay. Let's go to rendering, lighting, and I think in scene we have skybox, but we do have a different skybox over here now. Wait, what did I do? No. Okay, sky. What? What is this? What is this? Anime sky. Okay, I think this looks good. Sort of looks good. I don't know, guys. What do you think? This looks good, right? Hey, Destroyer Art. Well, nothing much. I'm good. बस game बना रहे हैं. Oh wow. Did you hear about a free course by Gamer to Maker which they will be posting on YouTube? That's fantastic. That's fantastic. I didn't hear about it, but if they are doing that, that's great. I got an idea. Make your game with cartoonish effects and comic effects too. It will give you a new theme by. Yeah, definitely यार. करते हैं. वैसे ही कुछ है. Ask GPT to make HLSL Unity shader paste code in a HLSL script by right click in a project window, create shader, unlit paste HLSL script inside, then change the shader to toon shader, cell shader. For all the textures? I mean, I think I can tell, create a toon shader for me. So that I can use it in my game. Put it in a new folder. The shader should have cartoonish outline. Okay, let's see. I think it will give you a model sir outline and an art style. I'll create a toon shader with cartoonish. I think that's a very good idea. So can you make a video on how to prepare a final GDD of a game? Oh, definitely. Okay, let's create a new shader, guys. I think this art style will be pretty good. It will be completely different and I think it will add more value to our game. We just need to work with all our textures that we've made so far and we need to modify them. Does the game have a day and night cycle? Currently it does not. This game does not have a day-night cycle. Just a simple plain old game. इस गेम में गेम ओवर का फीचर है क्या? अभी फिलहाल there is no game over, but we will add it. And score भी चाहिए. I will add the score. I have a crazy idea for the score as well. So score will be dependent on the distance that we run. Okay, in terms of meters. And it will have a combo meter. The faster you do boom boom boom, the better your chances are of that combo meter filling up. It will be like very very juicy, we'll make it very juicy. How about some dialogue like andha hai kya? Definitely. Can we add coins on lanes? Definitely, 100%. We can add coins on lanes. अरे भाई, don't involve सलमान भाई यार. How about some dialogue? Yeah, definitely. And a game dev humor joke before starting the game for the first like tutorial. जो सामने दिखे उसकी माँ की आँख. Make it a proper game for a launch. Yeah, that is the idea. I mean, the entire reason why I'm making this game across many streams is firstly, I wanted to show people the entire process of game development and how easy it is nowadays to make games. And secondly, I want to put out a crazy game. Can you increase speed after bumping? We can do one thing. Once you hit... Okay, let me try one thing. After this shader is done, we will add speed lines. Okay, speed lines. If you hit a combo. Okay, if you hit a combo, you get speed lines. I think that will be fun. Add fuel. Fuel will not be interesting, यार. I think fuel will kind of take away the fun from it. इग्नोर कर दिया. क्या इग्नोर किया भाई? सर मैंने इतने अच्छे सजेशंस देखे. क्या आप मेरे को इंटर्नशिप देना चाहोगे if I interviewed sometime? Hypothetical situation. Yeah, we are not hiring any interns right now, but if at all in future we do hire, yeah, sure, why not? Okay, now will be the okay, here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that I will put that toon shader only on the main objects, which is this rickshaw. This is albedo, and we did add a new shader over here, right? And what is it called? Toon material, toon shader. Let's see how this will look. Toon shader custom. How does this look? Let's see. Okay, let's go. Buildings as well. Yeah, whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. What the heck? Reduce outlines. Okay, yeah, I'll reduce the outlines. 1 second. Outline width. Okay, maybe we'll keep it at 0.005. Is this fine, or 0.001? No, this is too much. 0.5, I think 0.5 is fine. Sapient plugin. Oh, great. That's very nice to hear, man. Reduce camera shake. We'll do that. We'll refine all of those values. Whoa. Game is looking pretty good now. Wow. Do the same for obstacles as well. Do you think it will look good on the obstacles? Let's try. Actually, let's try for the lanes as well. Road spawner, lane. This has a standard material. Okay. 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Let's create a new material. Lane color. This will be this, and toon shader. Let's try and see what happens over here. Okay. No. Okay, 1 second. Okay, the suggestion was, let's try and do this for the cars first. All the cars. Oh my god, they have this material thing. This will be a lot of work actually on the cars. You have to change the material on the prefab. Yeah, I know that, but issue is, like, you look at this delivery truck, right? Now here the issue is that the body is different, and I think it is, the door is different over here, wheel is different, and each of them I think has a texture map to them, which is this color map. Go there, material until happen in M material inspector. It will happen in material inspector. Yeah, see, issue is edit. Okay, compile and show code. Oh, why did I click that? Go there until happen. It'll happen in material inspector. See, that's what, right? It's not happening in material inspector. All of them use the same texture. That's true. All of them do use the same texture. So maybe I can create a material car textures, and I will give it an albedo map of this, and then I will create this as a toon shader and apply this like so. Okay, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's working. Yeah, it wasn't that difficult. Thank you so much. So now here again it will be 0.05. Okay, and we'll need to repeat this for all the cars. Let's go prefab cars. This was done. This needs that albedo. Okay, 0.05. Fine. Prefabs, cars, SUV. And again this material. Fine. And I think we have one more car left. Taxi. Take all of them. Albedo. And yeah, I think we are yeah, great catch, Lazy Shared Studios. Okay, I'm not finding the texture that interesting on the cars, however. I don't know. Let's try it on the buildings. Perfect post processing. Subway Surfer like Parallax. Yeah. If you feel like, just give me some credit for the art director. Yeah, definitely. Why not? I mean, I will make notes of it over here in terms of licenses. I'll just add credits. Let me just add like a text file for you. Licenses and credits used. Wait. What's your name? I'll just mention it over here. Lazy Shared Studios art director. Why not? Okay, I've saved your name. Okay, trust me, sir, this game will I don't know, it's just a brain rot game, man. It's just a brain rot game. A stupid brain rot game that I'm making at night. Okay, this also uses the same color map, so maybe I can create a new material, buildings, and I will keep this over here like so. Oh my god. Okay, this is in color map. Okay, or prefabs, buildings, building, albedo, color map. Oh god. Okay, let's go. थोड़ा सा मेहनत. Create material, building, and color map over here. Toon shader, 0.05, and we will put this in the prefabs folder of buildings. And now go to prefab buildings, change all these materials, drag and drop, 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 drag and drop. Okay, let's see the difference. Expected release month for the game, I don't know. What do you think, guys? Do you like this texture? See, I like the toon texture on Rickshaw, but you can just select the mesh FBX and materials you can extract. Sir, post processing and add some bloom. पोस्ट प्रोसेसिंग यस ज़्यादा कार्टून हो गया. हाँ यार आई थिंक ये जो है ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा कार्टूनिश हो गया. आई थिंक शैडो थ्रेशोल्ड let's play with these values. Okay, let's play with the building thing. Outline width. What is this? Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. If I keep like a very small outline, that is fine. Something like this, 0.0014 or maybe 0.002. This but the purple tint isn't nice. So rim color, right? I will keep it at white or rather black. Okay, this looks very cartoonish. This has become very cartoonish. What do I do this? Specular power. Specular power at 128. Specular intensity doesn't matter. Shadow smoothness, that also doesn't matter. I think this is fine. Change the rim color. I changed the rim color from purple to black. It ruins the texture. Do you think this is fine? Oh, the rim color is still there on the cars and the rickshaw. Lane color, no, we are not using the lane color anywhere. Car, however, this has the texture over here. Let me pick this into cars, and now we need to get rid of the rim color which wasn't looking good. The rickshaw also has some rim color, so I'll get rid of that too. Okay, I think this is looking fine. Subway Surfer has an effect which distorts the curves or tracks. Yeah, I know. I think that might be more of a camera trick, I guess, or maybe let's try and do that. Okay, so now I want to have a camera effect which makes the road seem as though it has a curvature in the right side. Create a new script for me to put it on the camera for me to get this effect. Let's see what this comes up with. We can easily do that with lens distortion. Yeah, I'm trying to do that with the script. Curve road camera effect. Add chromatic aberration and post add lens distortion. We'll do that in a bit. No, you don't want me to do that. You don't want me to write a script. What mechanism did you use to simple just add post processing GNG? Okay, buddy, chill. I just want to experiment. Come on, we're just having fun, so let me just experiment, and I will listen to you. Don't worry, you are my art director. Come on, I will listen to you. Okay, guys, 32 people of you all watching, and there's about 30 likes on the stream. Please, guys, I'm having a lot of fun, but I'm also doing a lot of mehnat. So please hit the like button at least. Sir, put camera a little bit closer to the auto and add a fog on horizon. There is already a fog on horizon, Shiba. So it's all going good, bro. Download a post-processing asset. I will download it. Just give me 1 second, buddy. Just give me 1 second. Okay, guys. And by the way, guys, I'm going to host a Fall Guys tournament this weekend. And the tournament will be accessible only for members. Okay. So members will be able to participate in the tournament. But of course, everyone can watch it and everyone can be a part. Full on game ban rahi hai. Yes, full on game ban rahi hai, dost. Okay, let me see. Okay, alright. I think it's created over here. Can you put Dhoom Machale? धूम मचा ले. Yash Games, hello. Where's my competitor? Camera. Curve road camera effect. Let's see what this will do. How does the debug work on this? A cursor finished just now. What is this? Keep all. I'm curious to see what this will look like. What the heck? What the heck is happening? Oh, I got it. Because it is... Okay, you're right, buddy. You're right. This script is waste. Let's just download a post-processing pack. Post-processing. Install. I will listen to you. Sorry. I bought this on myself. Anant Kal. Yeah. What sounds interesting? Have you played Superhero Simulator? I have not yet, but I did react to the trailer. It looks pretty cool. This is a good idea. You have to start making some games and stream and talk about games and game development. Yeah. I mean, that is completely unique for me, right? Like, I don't think there's any developer out there who is doing what I'm doing right now. और कर लो. अरे यार आप तो टॉन्ट मारने लग गए यार. क्या हद होती है यार. चलो पोस्ट प्रोसेसिंग. So we'll add a post processing volume. Post process. हद हो गई यार दोस्त. आप तो बुरा मान गए पूरा यार. ऐसे कौन करता है. Post processing volume. Profile. We'll create a new profile. Add effect. Unity. Lens distortion. Okay. यार ये ऑन क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. Chromatic aberration. Wait. Enable this effect. अरे enable तो करो. Is global on. Why is this not enabling? I would love to join dev streams. Sure. Wait, why is this not enabling? I'm curious to understand. Checkbox तो कर दिया है. Okay, let's see. Does this... Oh, sorry. Yeah, this. Wow. I feel so stupid. I'd done this a while ago, but anyway. Intensity X multiply Y multiply center Y scale. Okay. That's this. I don't know what I'm doing at this moment. पहले layer भी बनाना पड़ेगा. Post processing layer. Wait, I forgot how to do this. Can you just help me out? You need post processing layer on main camera before it. Okay, of course. Oh yeah. Wow. Okay, all right. Let's just change the profile now. Remove, and okay. Add effect. Lens distortion. Wait. Okay. Something went wrong. Post process. You have to put a layer on the camera. Of course. Removed. Yeah. Sorry. My bad. Post processing layer and post processing volume. And add this was a profile that we used over here. Okay, intensity. I feel so stupid. I'm getting rusty, man. Yeah, it's true. I'm getting rusty. Come on, what's happening with me? Okay, trigger, layer, everything. Help me out, man. Help me out. Add it on the camera. I added it on the camera. Okay, I feel stupid. Okay, let's go step by step. I will revert back everything. Removing the post-processing layer, removing the volume. Okay, tell me step number one. I don't know this. Okay, tell me step number one. You are using old post-process volume system. यहाँ चैट आपको सिखा रही है, आप भी इस साइड आ जाओ, मेरे को सिखाओ भाई, मेरे को सिखाओ, मेरे को सीखना है। चलो मेरे को सिखाओ, मेरे को सीखना है। एम्प्टी गेम ऑब्जेक्ट विद अ पोस्ट प्रोसेसिंग वॉल्यूम कंपोनेंट विद अ कस्टम लेयर। हाँ तो एम्प्टी गेम ऑब्जेक्ट लिया मैंने, चलो पोस्ट प्रोसेस वॉल्यूम, ठीक है ये ले लिया। अब यहाँ पे पोस्ट प्रोसेस वॉल्यूम ले लिया। Add PP layer in camera, then make a new layer called post processing. Layer post processing. ठीक है done. And I will add this as a layer. अब ये post processing layer ले लिया. I think it's just called volume. Add PP layer. Okay. Step 1 Alt F4. Wow. Nice, huh? Not even nice. Nice. Wrong again. Wow. I feel so stupid. Component as well as PP layer. Okay. Okay. Component. Which component should I add? PP layer. ठीक है. I added PP layer. Post process layer. The layer needs to be set on the volume game object. I feel so dumb right now. Wow. Layer post processing. Okay, I think this is set. Anti-aliasing. Step 2 Alt Escape. Nice, nice, nice. Can you add our Mumbai Pandu? We are just empty game object, post process volume, set layers to post process. Empty game object, post process volume, set layer to post process. Fine, done. On camera, post processing layer, change layer setting to PP. On camera, post processing layer, change layer setting to PP. Done. Done. Now what? Now I'll add the post processing volume here. Now enable is global. Fine, done. Wow. Wow. Okay, I think I can remove this from here now. Oh, okay. I don't need this anymore. Finally, remove component from here. Finally. वो चली. Okay, ठीक है. Whoa, what the heck? Y multiplier. Okay, let's do 1. Reward दो इनको 100% यार. There's a script that creates an exact curved road effect. I think it's from Unity Cat Runner game. Okay. Overtime अरे यार overtime हो गया. Definitely overtime हो गया. Wait, let's see what this does. Let's see how our game looks now. What the heck? What is this game? What is this game? I have no idea what this game is now. Why is it looking like this? Why? What did you do, man? Add bloom first. Okay. Fisheye game. Oh my goodness. Wait, this is a proper meme game now. I just want to see. Okay. Oh wow. What the heck is happening in this game? Whoa. Okay, this looks bad. I can intensity. Okay, this just looks bad. Center what? Let me just see what happens, you know. I have no what is this trippy game, man? अनंता पे रिएक्ट करना याद है दोस्त. Wow. Whoa. I have no idea what I just broke. Yeah, just a sec, buddy. Just a sec. I will add bloom. I think I think maybe I'll keep the intensity like this. I will add gloom, don't worry. What are you trying to achieve exactly? I was trying to achieve like a curvature road, but I think it's clearly not happening. Uh, for now, let's see. Bloom, intensity, threshold, softening, clamp, diffusion, anamorphic ratio, color, fast mode. Done. Intensity, threshold, softening, clamp, diffusion. Let's see how this looks. The bloom didn't really have any effect. Can you help me out with the values? Bloom के light भी तो चाहिए. Light, we just have a directional light over here. Game programmer versus backend engineer at gaming company, which path is better? I mean, whichever path you like is better. Color. This is going to be a tutorial for me for game development. I'll get to learn myself as well. Let's try to do like a bloody red color. Orange? Okay. Bloody orange color. Anamorphic ratio. What is this? Add a light and a lens flare. Add a light and a lens flare. Lens flare is here. We need to create a lens flare, right? Lens flare. Flare texture. I think we have a flare textures like so. Element. Add a point light. Add a point light. But point lights are so expensive. Let's add a point light to our rickshaw. How does this look? Make a new point light. Component to point light. Okay. Lazy Shed Studios, what I'll do is I will continue development tomorrow because your industry, yeah, I'm just tired, buddy. I'm just tired, and my Unity experience is a bit rusty. So, I mean, and primarily I'm more of a programmer than an artist, than like a technical artist. You know, it's great that you know all of these stuff. I clearly don't, and I rely on people telling me stuff. So yeah, maybe I'm getting exposed. Wow. Anyway. So I'll delete the point light for now. In terms of post-processing volume, I don't have any experience in Godot. Point light somewhere above and add a lens SRP to it. Just a second. Let's add some vignette as well. Wait, why is vignette not working? This is global. I think the only thing that is worked so far is this lens distortion. Foxy plays, wow. Nice wishful thinking, man. Ambient occlusion, let's do ambient occlusion. Ambient occlusion probably might not look good over here. Let's give it a try. Will be tuned for tournament announcements, sir. Also, any rough dates? Ew, brother, ew. Do you guys like this? I don't know. I have mixed feelings about this. Do you guys like this one? Do you guys like how this looks? I want to do one thing. Just one thing. I think 1 second. I will do all the features. It looks good. Okay. I think the ambient occlusion kind of makes it look good. All right. So now I want to add a feature to this game wherein when the rickshaw hits, what was that, a boom kind of thing, rampage system. When it gets a rampage effect, that time the rickshaw gets a temporary speed boost for 3 seconds, and it stacks up as a combo. During this time there are speed lines on the screen indicating speed. Make this for me, and for speed lines use basic cube objects stretched out along with thin lines. Along with what we can have 10 speed lines on the screen to denote this effect. Okay, once again this is a major change, so I'm going to take another backup of this because I'm not confident what I'm doing right now, except this rickshaw backup. Of course, file in use, skip. How about making this open source? Let the community support an addition of new stuff and optimizing existing one. I don't mind. I genuinely don't mind. I just want to build it to a certain level, and I will make it open source. I mean, that's the idea. I will make this open source for sure. And not that I have spent much effort in building this anyway. I've just let Cursor do all my backend work. V1, Rickshaw V1. Okay, so this is going to be the last effect. To make this, create a new script so it does not affect the other implementations. Let's see. It's quite playable. I think it is quite playable. Revenue share. Yeah, I don't know if this will earn any money or not. I'm just having fun with this game. I mean, if it does, why not? We can think of something. आज ओवर टाइम हो रहा है. देखो ना यार, आज तो सुपर चैट भी नहीं मिले, फिर भी ओवर टाइम हो रहा है. See, that's how development is, by the way. Like, development tends to stretch out. A rampage speed boost. So we are getting a new script called rampage speed boost. Why are you zipping the library folder? You need only assets, package, progress, settings, everything else is generated by Unity. Because I'm tired, game dev, Ronit. I'm just tired. I know those are the only folders required. In fact, I teach this as well to my students. But I'm just tired for the day. I'm like, whatever. Just take a full backup in case anything messes up. Super chat नहीं मिले क्योंकि गाने नहीं गाने वाले. गाना गा दूंगा चलो. गाना गा दूंगा चलो. अगर लाइव हो गया फैन फंडिंग, व्हाट इज दिस, टॉप चैट. ओके, गाना गा दूंगा, गाऊंगा. चलो स्टार्ट कर दिया. गोल 10 सुपर चैट्स, 10 super chats, गाना गाऊंगा. all any kind of super chat if I get, गाना गा दूंगा मैं. चलो रख दिया है, गोल स्टार्ट कर दिया है. गोल इज स्टार्टेड गाइस. 10 super chats and I sing song. And I sing song. Ching ching chong. कौन सा गाना? शिनचैन वाला गाना. शिनचैन वाला गाना. शिनचैन वाला गाना क्या है? पागल ये पागल वो. चलो गा दूंगा मैं. चलो कर दो 10 सुपर चैट कर दो एंड अपन गा देंगे. मैं गाऊंगा तुम रोओगे. मैं बोल रहा हूँ. कल मैंने गा दिया था कि जितने भी लोग थे सब रोए थे. तो मेरे को फिर मत बोलना. आप लोग नहीं रिक्वेस्ट की है. या तो फिर सुपर चैट मत ही दो. बेस्ट है. सुपर चैट नहीं दोगे मैं नहीं गाऊंगा तो तुम लोग के कान खराब नहीं होंगे. क्या क्या कराते हो यार. ओके चलो. आई होप कि इन दिस वन we don't get any sort of speed line prefab. Okay, I'm going to make a speed line prefab. Like so. Okay, 0.1 and 0.1. Let's see. Okay, I don't know what's going to happen. Add a trailer renderer. We'll add the trailer renderer for sure. Nothing happened. I need to study the script a little. Has cursor created an implementation? Quick setup. Add rampage speed boost. This script automatically finds arcade vehicles. Start with default settings and adjust as needed. Default input, press spacebar or left mouse button. From other scripts. Okay, spacebar or left mouse button. Let's see. Recipient's payment network down aa raha hai. It's okay. Wait. Wait, what? What happened? What is this? This is bad. Wait, I know what happened. It's as a box collider. Remove this component. Payment network's ID is down. That's okay. Wait, what is this? I hate this. It's not the intended output that I wanted. Nah. No. Nah, beta. Nah. Okay. Never mind. I don't like the speed thingy. Okay. But guys, I will continue development on this later. I am, as you can see, I was going to remove the rampage system. Oh my god. Particle system. There's some stuff over here as well that is happening. Multiple screen check. We're not. Ask Claude to enable train renderer when boost is there. Huh. That will be a good idea actually. To just put in like a trail renderer. That will be nice. But that is it for today. And guys, you guys saved yourselves. You guys didn't give any super chats, so I'm happy for you guys that you don't have to live or rather sleep with the torture, okay, of my voice. But anyway guys, I'm pretty much done for the day. As you can see, I need to record a vlog as well now. So guys, I finished live streaming now. I'm just finishing live streaming, by the way. It's 12:28 a.m. and the game has seen a very good amount of progress today. Changed around with textures, added buildings as environments, added like a toon shader and whatnot. And major thanks and shout out to Lazy Shed Studios. He's officially the art director on this game now, by the way guys. Okay, so it was a lot of fun and I will see you in the next vlog. Until then, take care. Bye bye. So vlog recorded. then I will quickly edit and I will go to sleep. Missed my deal though. What was your deal? Game dev Ronit, come. Damn, do you feel depressed at sometimes? It's pretty repetitive the day you go through. Uh, I mean, see, it's like success is accumulation of multiple repetitive hustling days, So there's nothing bad to feel about. Honey Sing song for 100 SC. Super chat. Honey Sing, but Honey Sing to any song I can sing. I can sing Honey Sing song. But I won't sing the Honey Sing song that you want. I can sing a Honey Sing song. I can sing maybe Brown Rang. Hey, wait, Brown Rang has some Punjabi lyrics. I can't sing Punjabi songs. So is the number which you gave me on GPay, it will be good not to give YT 30%. Yeah, Manthan, I mean, that will be good. That will be good. Breakup party. Are 100 rupees super chat, 10 super chats, and I will sing song. But yeah, I have said that I will give reaction to Ananta. So I'll do that and then I will log off. Okay. All right, let's go. Ananta, it's a 7-minute trailer. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Let's start.
It's shut down?
We just got here. How's it already closed? And who told us to come here in the first place? Oh,
it has a tone shader.
Still haven't got our paycheck!
Oh, let me just. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is wow. My god. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god, Manthan, what did he do?
It's right ahead.
Manthan, what the heck? लॉल सर पैसे और बुक्स और मेंबरशिप में चले गए. What did he? What did he do? Manthan, what did he do? Wait, what? My god, guys. Manthan just gave me a super chat. My god. Manthan, thank you so much. Manthan, thank you so much. This was just out of the blue. Whoa. Thank you so much for 40 rupees super chat, Manthan. Manthan कौन है? Manthan is a member of my channel. You can see his name in green. Manthan, thank you so much. It means a lot, genuinely. Wow. Oh my god, wow. This reminds me of Sleeping Dogs. The combat just reminded me of Sleeping Dogs. And it's a very interesting art style. Can you do Jackie Dada mimicry? I can't do Jackie Dada, unfortunately, sorry. Who is making it? Yeah, who is making this game? It's a beautiful game. It looks so unique. It looks so very, very interesting. Play High on Life on Steam sometime. Okay. I mean, I've seen that recommendation come on my chat a lot of time. Let me see what the game is about and if it's streamer friendly or not. But my goodness, this game is wow. It just looks so good. Looks so good. Yeah, you had suggested, right? Yeah. Fantastic. Love it. Love it. Watch the trailer. It's streamer friendly. Lazy Shed Studios. I'll watch it in the next one. It's already too late right now. And Manthan, thank you for 40 rupees super chat. But I think we don't have the target met tonight. So I'm going to end the goal and I will end the stream as well. Zephyr Reborn, any update on Mumbai Gillies? I've put out an extensive update on Mumbai Gillies on my channel, so you can check out that video. There is no new update from last time. I mean, why do people expect that I have some update every single day? It's just, I don't. Lazy Shed Studios. Oh my god. But promise Lazy Shed Studios, next time I will stream. What is the GPay number? So game dev Ronit, I'm not putting out my number on public right now, but what I'll do is from the next stream onwards, I will have the GPay ID displayed over here. So if you guys want to support me, you can kind of, pay your super chats over there. I will have it displayed. In fact, let me see. What is this? I have my UPI ID that I can give. Okay, alright, guys. Let's do one thing. Okay. So, my UPI ID, I think without displaying my number, I can display my UPI ID. So, let's see. Text, okay. UPI ID is Nikhil.Malankar at OKSBI. How do I put this over here? Okay, yeah, this is my UPI ID, and how do I, can I add like a background to it? Background, opacity, yeah. And yeah, okay. Is it possible to buy Game On Studio shares? It is possible, but it's not a publicly listed company, so you can't buy it directly. But if you want to become like an investor, we can discuss that. But that will require you to invest a big amount, Oh wow, there are a few super chats that I'm getting. Not super chats per se, but Ronit Thakur has paid me 200 rupees, guys. Ronit Thakur has paid 200 rupees. From now on, I'll pay you directly. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Ronit Thakur has paid 200 rupees. Manthan Mehta has paid 40 rupees. So it is 240 rupees right now. मैं 1000 rupees invest कर सकता हूँ. Experts Gaming, unfortunately 1000 rupees is not a check size that we look at. If you want to invest in a company, minimum check size is 5 lakhs and above. Okay, so 240 rupees so far. I will sing once we have 400 minus 240, 160 more, 160 rupees more. 160 rupees final, full and final. I have received 200 rupees, 240 rupees so far. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, let me actually, okay, 240 rupees so far I have received. Okay, at 160 rupees more, I will sing. I will sing. Wait. Oh wow. Okay, someone else has also. Okay, wait. Who paid? Who gave? Wow, Ronit only gave 160. Okay, guys. Target met. Now I am going to sing. Target has been met. Okay, alright. You don't have to pay any super chats anymore. No more contribution. Okay, no more. So I'm removing the goal right now. And now if you want to do any, transactions, that's completely on you. But I'm going to sing now. Shinchan song. Okay, Shinchan song. Lyrics in Hindi. Okay, let's go. Jio Savan. Wait, इधर क्यों नहीं है? Okay, alright. Okay, chalo, let's go, start. Okay, Ronit will put this as in ringtone. Okay, guys, so huge shout out to Ronit Thakur and Manthan Mehta for their super chats for making this possible. And I'm gonna sing Shinchan song now. Okay, alright, 3, 2, 1 and go. जब देखो तब शैतानी करता है ये मनमानी, फिर भी मम्मी पापा का है दुलारा, यही है राजा बेटा, हर पल करता ये दंगा, कर देगा उल्टी पुल्टी दुनिया सारी, करे वो ऐसी हरकतें, हंसाए तुम्हें गुदगुदा के, कोई उसे क्या बोले, वो है शिनचैन प्यारा, शिनचैन प्यारा प्यारा, शिनचैन प्यारा प्यारा, शिनचैन प्यारा प्यारा, गड़बड़ी का ये बेचारा, शिनचैन प्यारा प्यारा, शिनचैन प्यारा प्यारा, शिनचैन प्यारा प्यारा, पर है कितना क्यूट, दिखा ही दे रही जो मस्ती, उसके पीछे है क्या छुपा, जो तुम्हारी समझ न आए, समझो शिनचैन नहीं कुछ किया, शिनचैन प्यारा प्यारा, शिनचैन प्यारा प्यारा, शिनचैन प्यारा प्यारा, पर है कितना क्यूट. And that's it. And that's it, guys. That's it. Okay, I honored my promise. 400 rupees super chat. I hope it was worth it, guys. And huge shout out once again to Ronit Thakur and Manthan Mehta. And guys, that's it. Please, no more request now. Okay, I'm done for the day. I'm done. अरे लेकिन डील तो हनी सिंह की थी. हनी सिंह हो गया. एक टाइम पे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट दोस्त. एक टाइम पे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट. हनी सिंह नेक्स्ट टाइम. ओके चलो. अरे स्कैम नहीं भाई, स्कैम नहीं. एक गाना ना हो गया. एक गाना हो गया. मंथन ऐसे मत बोले यार, ऐसे बुरा लगता है, दिल से बुरा लगता है. ऐसा मत बोलो. ओह माय गॉड. अरे यार ऐसा मत बोले यार, ऐसा मत बोले. नेक्स्ट टाइम पक्का. शिनचैन हो गया ना, शिनचैन आज कर लिया. हनी सिंह था भाई. अरे यार ये तो यार बुरा मान रहे लोग यार. हनी सिंह भी करूँ. अरे यार ब्रेकअप पार्टी यार, थोड़ा पारिवारिक माहौल है. पैसा वापस, पैसा नहीं दे रहा मैं वापस, पैसा नहीं दे रहा. Keep us tuned for tournament. Okay guys, come on. Let's come back. शिनचैन का हो गया. Tournament guys, tournament I will be hosting this weekend, and all the money we generate from the tournament is in form of super chats and entertainment and whatnot, will be completely utilized for the marketing of the game. Okay, 100% of it will be utilized for marketing of the game. Okay, so yeah, oh my god, it's almost close to 1 a.m. I need to go and help my wife also guys. शादीशुदा आदमी हूँ, थोड़ा excuse me for the night. I did everything. I made the game. I answered game dev queries. I also heard all the suggestions from Lazy Shed Studios. So थोड़ा अभी आज मेरा बैटरी डाउन हो गया. Okay, so मेरा हो गया. हाँ तो शिनचैन हो गया. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. So I'll start playing my outro dialogue. So guys, if you like this stream, hit the like button. If you're finding my channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on my next videos. My name is Nikhil Malankar. I'm a game developer by profession, and on my YouTube channel, you'll find a lot of videos on games and game development. And guys, before you go to sleep, do not forget to brush your teeth. It's important to take care of your teeth as well as your health. With that small message, thank you so much for all the amazing chats and super chats and the weird requests and all. But please guys, sub ब्रश करके सोना. आणि लिंबूनीच्या झाडा खाली जाऊन झोप भाऊ. आता झोपतो लिंबूनीच्या झाडाखाली. कोलगेट का ऐड मिल सकता है ना मेरे को एक्चुअली गाइज. अगर तुम लोग मेरे को थोड़ा हाइप अप कर दोगे ना तो कोलगेट का ऐड मेरे को मिल जाएगा. कोलगेट, पेप्सोडेंट, मैं वो 9 out of 10 नहीं, 10 out of 10 डेंटिस्ट से रिकमेंडेड करवा दूंगा. एनीवे चलो, वो बहुत फालतू जोक था. मेरे को भी क्रिंज आ रहा है अभी. आप सोच सकते हो कि मेरे को नींद आ रहा है. ठीक है चलो, बाय गाइज, लव यू ऑल, टेक केयर.